Hello, this is Chris Menard. If you're going to go buy a home or refinance a house, or you're looking to buy a condo or townhome, you need to know the 28-36 rule. Lenders use this all the time. And so to explain this, I actually pulled up Microsoft Excel online, which is free. So the first thing they want to know when you trying to get approved for a new loan for a home, what is your gross monthly income? I'm going to put in $6,000. If you have a spouse or a partner, that would include both incomes in the monthly gross. And there's two ratios we're going to look at, 28%, which I'll explain, and 36%. So I did 0.28 and 0.36. If you didn't get percentages, just simply highlight them both and come up here and click on the percent icon. So let's do the 28% first, which is also called the front end ratio. So I'm going to take the $6,000 and I'm going to multiply it times the 28%. That is the maximum monthly house note that you can afford. That is the front end ratio, and it includes principal, it includes interest, it includes taxes, and it includes insurance, PITI. If you purchase a home and it's in, they have homeowners association fees, it would include it in that ratio. The second number that they look at, we call your debt to income ratio, or the back end ratio. It is simply the 6,000 times 36%. 2,160 in this example. The back end ratio, or debt to income ratio, having a hard time typing today, debt to income, as accountants like to call it. That is the front end ratio, so it's your total house note, the 1,680, plus any debt you have. That would include student loans, car loans, alimony, child support. Anything that you have a debt for would be in there. It does not include food and stuff like that. So stuff you actually have a debt on. They even have this rule that if your car is going to be paid off within 9 months, that number does not go in to the back end ratio, but 10 months or more, it does. So this back end is why a lot of loans don't close when it's close to closing. Everything's fine, and then somebody goes and buys a new car. So don't do that. That's why your realtor usually tells you don't go do anything until after closing. In case you're wondering, on the PITI, I figured out that if you bought a home for $243,600 and you put absolutely nothing down, because ideally you're supposed to put 20% down, but not everyone has 20% to put down on that, you'll have to pay PMI, private mortgage insurance. So I came up, so remember, nothing down, so your monthly payment with interest on that would be at 4.125%, that's about what the interest rate is now, give or take, divided by 12 months in a year. We're going to go for 360 months, that's 30 years, 30 times 12 is 360. And the last argument I need here is negative, because I want it to show as a positive. How much money are you borrowing? That is your principal and interest right there. So that's the P and the I part. And I came up with the rest of these numbers. You'd do property taxes, this is the T, 164. You would also have homeowners insurance of $233 a month, and private mortgage insurance. If you didn't put 20% down, you would have to pay the PMI, private mortgage, and I came up with 102. What I did not include in here is homeowners association fee, because I don't know. I total up those numbers and there's your 1680. So that would be the front end ratio part. The back end is 2160. So again, car loans, student debt, alimony, child support. If you notice, I'm gonna take that number and subtract the 1680. So you only have 480 bucks to work with in this example, so it's not a lot. Anyway, I hope that helps, though. You understand how lenders use the 2836 rule. You can use it next time you go look for a home. I appreciate your time. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Thank you.